Hello, how are you? Hello, everybody. Good evening. Okay, so could you just confirm if you're getting me loud and clear right here? All right, so I've got some questions I would like to discuss with you this evening. Okay, so is it clear enough? Okay, the I think the light is too much. Okay, it's fine. I think. Okay, so I'm trying to set up. So let's see if I can move my camera and so that we get this visible. It should be clear. Okay, is my camera catching well here? I think you can read the question and it's super clear now. Thank you. Okay. Okay, are you seeing what I've written here? Oh, there is too much light. Now clear. Okay, I'm trying to peek. It's unfortunately that the camera is not picking up the way I expect it to pick. But for now, I think it's clear. It's clear. Okay, just reduce the light. Okay, where I am, the light is not that much enough. So it could be, I don't know. You're a good teacher. Thank you so much, Alines. Okay, it's clear. Yeah, it's clear. Oh, thank you for that feedback. All right, guys, without wasting our time, let me just read through the question. So the question reads, a box contains 12 identical bits, four of which are red, five are yellow, and the rest are blue. Okay, I hope you can see that. Two bits are selected at random from the box, one after the other without replacement. So please share the video. We need to have more people watching this. All right. So the first question here says, draw a tree diagram to illustrate this information. Okay, so without wasting our time, when we want to draw the tree diagram for this, they are saying two bits are selected. Okay, so it means it will be done twice. So the first set will be like this. You can either pick red. Remember, they are saying red, yellow, and blue. So there are things, there are three things that are being done here. So you can either pick red, or here you can pick um, yellow, you can pick blue. Okay, so this is the first set that you need to do. Remember, they've said the total is 12. So you're going to write 12, even here 12, 12. So it's a numerator. A 12 is a numerator. It's a denominator. So your job is to find the numerator. Okay, so that's the first thing. You always put your denominator, the total number. Okay, so once you do that, you now start following them. Here they said red. There are how many? There are four. There are four red. So for red, you write 4. What else? They've given us for yellow. Yellow, it's 5. Okay? Blue, they have not given us in this case. The statement here says the rest are blue. and they've given us the total. So why can't we just add these two? They're giving us 9, and then we subtract the 9 from 12, and it will give us what? It will give us, what are we getting when we say 9? Is it a 3? What are you getting? So 9 minus 12, what are you getting? It's actually a 3, which we are getting. So we are going to write a 3 right over here. So that's the first set. That's the first set. Okay. So now, after picking this, after doing that, they are saying twice, 2 times. So again, another set will happen here, there, there. So here, the same pattern, red, yellow, blue. Okay. So that's it. So now, from here, again, the same pattern, 3 tails. So there is red, yellow, and blue. Another one here, 3. They are moving in 3s. Red, yellow, and blue. Just like that. Okay? Just like that. Okay? Now, from here, okay? From here, you can now say, here they have said without replacement. So once this part is done, meaning the denominator will reduce. So here you have 11, because of no, without replacement, the denominator will reduce by 1. So everywhere, just write 11, 11, 11, 11. So now, that's the denominator. We need to find the numerators. Okay? I hope you're able to see. So here, if you picked red, the same red here, meaning red will reduce by 1. Red was a 4. So it will reduce by 1 because they are the same, red, red. So just get the number on top, minus 1, it's a 3. Are you guys following here, up to here? We need to do this together. Okay. Are we following? Are we following? Where did you get 3? So the 3 came about as a result of being given 2. Red, we've been given, and yellow, we've been given. But for blue, we are not given. Here they said a box contains 12. So this 12 is the total number of bits. But they've given us 5 and 4. So we can just say 5 plus 4, which will give us a 9. This 9, now we subtract it from 12. We'll remain with a 3. That's how that 3 came about. Yes, we are following. That's good. That's good. So now let's move here. Since we've reduced by 1, but here, if you check nicely, this is red, this is yellow. They are different. So we are not going to change yellow here. We'll just write the total number of yellow, which is a 5. Okay? Even here, red, blue won't change. We'll write the total number, which is a 3. Okay, so we're done with this one. We now come here. So if you look at this is yellow, red. So at this point, they are different. We'll maintain the red. Total number of red, it's a 4. That's what we'll do. Here it's yellow, yellow. They are the same, meaning yellow has to reduce. What's the total number of yellow? It's a 5. Reduced by 1, it's 4. Just like that. Here, this is yellow, blue. Different. Don't change the blue. It will just be the total, which is a 3. Here, blue, red, they are different. We're not going to change. So maintain red, it's a 4. Here, blue, yellow, different. We'll maintain yellow, which is a 5. Total number of yellow is 5. But blue will reduce because they are the same. So blue here, or the total number of blue, it's a 3. So reduced by 1, it will be a 2. Just like that. Okay. Just like that. Slow down. Okay. I don't know. I don't know. So just keep on following Fiona. Hopefully it's understood. You are free, you can ask. So the pattern, the way it's moving, where we've got the same colors, like here, it must reduce. That color here must reduce by one. But for this different, like for example, red, yellow, yellow is not going to reduce. This is a concept you must keep in your head. I don't know. I'm Peter. Thanks so much. Peter, that's great. It's good to know that you're following. And please, guys, share this live broadcast. If you're in any of the WhatsApp groups, let your friends get to watch also so that they can learn one or two things. Thanks. Thanks, sir. I think that's I'm in India. I understand your integral, even indeed can be good, but you really nice. Great. That's good. That's good. Where did you find three? I think you've just joined. I've explained. I think I've repeated several times. I've said just add these two, which will give us a 9. That's 5 plus. 5 plus 4, 9, and then you say 12 minus 9. That's why we are getting a 3 because of the statement which is saying the rest are blue. You've just been given, they've given us the total and they've given us the number of red, the number of yellow, but for blue, we haven't been given. So we add this and subtract. So that's it. Okay, understood. You are great. Thank you so much, Fiona. Thank you. So this is how the tree diagram must come about. So if you want, you can leave it like this, or if you don't mind, you can now start finding the probabilities here. So for this one, let me do this so that we can have enough space. You say, okay, this is a red, red. This is a red, yellow. This is a red, blue. Here, yellow, red, yellow, 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 blue, blue, red, blue, yellow, blue, blue. So what is happening here? I'm just following the lines. This goes like that, red, red. Here and there, that's red, yellow. Here, there, red, blue, and so on and so forth. So that's how it's moving. Okay, that's how it's moving. Okay. Do you do your lessons every day? Yes, we've got online classes where we teach. And if you want to join the online classes, keep this number 0969 175701. That's where we do much of the teachings. Okay. So for this live broadcast, I just come here once in a while. Okay. I've understood the question. Thank you so much. That's Darius. Is it Darius? No, Modest. Mushota. Thanks. We are following. Darius, great. After this, I need help. I need help other day. I'm from Malawi. I'm struggling with some other topics. Or share your WhatsApp number after. So keep this number 0969 175701. You can join our online classes. My late, I don't know where to start from. No, don't mind. This video will be saved right here, and you can watch. So let me just comment the WhatsApp number to those people who don't know. So there will be a number which ends with 01. That's our number 0969 175701. So if you're outside Zambia, you can put +26 as the country code. I suggest you just drop your WhatsApp number. Yeah. So I think it's in the comment section. Just be looking. It will pop up. I've commented. You are doing great, teacher. I'm watching from South Sudan. I want to learn quadratic equation. Yeah, I think before we end, we'll look at something like that. So now, at this point, you start multiplying, okay? So if I ask you that, what is the probability of picking red, you multiply this red times the red, and it's going to give us, is it 1 over 11? And when you multiply for this times this, it's supposed to give us 5 over 33. Here it's 1 over 11. There, this and this, when we multiply, that's 5 over 12 times 4 over 11. So that's yellow, red. It's giving us a 5 over 33. And then here, when we multiply yellow, it's also giving us the same 5 over 33. Here, when we multiply yellow, that's yellow, and blue is supposed to give us, I think, 5 over 44. For this one, it's supposed to give us 1 over 11. This one, 5 over 44. For the last one here, it's 1 over 22. So that's how these are coming about. And if you want to know that you're doing the right thing, you try to add these numbers here. If you get your answer equal to 1, it means you are doing the right thing. Okay, so that's it. And to those people who are facing difficulties to work with fractions, you can work with decimal numbers. It's okay. Okay, you can work with decimal numbers. It's okay. Okay, so that's it. So now the next question, let me just read the next question. On the same, they are saying calculate the probability that the beads selected are of different colors. The beads selected are of different colors. So this is red, it's same colors, no. Red, yellow, that's different. Red, blue, different. This is different. This is the same. Different, the same. So just get this number for different plus code, they are for different, add them. And when you add those numbers, the answer will come out as 47 over 66. So the answer is coming out as 47 over 66 when you add. So that's it for that question. We now go to the next question. And the next question we're about to do, it's on matrices. Okay. I'm in college. I was asked in the exam to find the inverse of 3 column by 3 row column, and it was one I only know 2 by 2. Okay, just keep on watching. I might do that at the end. Okay, what's up if you leave it in the tree diagram? Is it okay? Yeah, it's fine. All right, so let's go to the next question. So the next question is to do with matrices. Okay, so let me write it here. Okay, so we've been given a matrix. Okay, for the next question, we will be given a matrix. Let me show you. The matrix that we've been given looks like this. It's called matrix K. So matrix K is equal to, they've said 4A, -1, -1A, like that. So that's a matrix they've given us, okay? That's a matrix we have. And for the first question, they are saying, find the value of A, okay? Find the value of A. So A, if the determinant, if K has no inverse, for B, if the determinant if the determinant over k is equal to 15. So these are the two questions we need to answer right now. Okay, so they are saying find the value of A if K has no inverse. Question B, if the determinant of K is 15. Okay. Okay, so hey, anyone reply to me? What's your question? What should we reply to you on? I have a question. What's your question? All right, guys. So here, when they say no inverse, meaning the determinant of the matrix that you're dealing with is equal to 0. So you can say the determinant of K is equal to 0 when the statement you've been given is that it has got no inverse. So when the determinant is equal to 0, you can't find the inverse. That's why it's being said there is no inverse. So what you're going to do is to multiply the major diagonal. 4a times a. This is a process of finding the determinant. We always multiply this minus the multiplication of those. So we say minus -1 times -1, which will just give us a 1. And then we say equal to 0. So that is a 4a power 2 is equal to 1. This one will go to the other side of the equation. We divide by 4 by 4. So this and this will go. A power 2 is equal to 1 over 4. Find the square root. So this power 2 and the root will go. A will be equal to, here, square root of 1, it's a 1. And we can say positive or negative. Square root of 4, it's a 2. So the two answers are A is equal to 1 over 2 or A is equal to -1 over 2. So these are the two answers. They are the two answers. I hope you understand what's happening here. Okay. So the next question, which is question B. So hang around, don't go. Even when you're facing difficulties with internet, my advice is that just put your phone in flight mode and come back again. Okay. All right. So we answer B. B, they've given us the determinant. Okay. So they have said the determinant of, if the determinant of matrix K is equal to 15. So here we can say the determinant is equal to 15. So when the determinant is equal to 15, of course, we can say this times this, we're getting a 4a power 2. 4a power 2 minus 1 when we multiply this. This time around, we're going to say equal to 15. So 4a power 2 is equal to 15 plus 1, 1 across the equal sign. 4a power 2 is equal to 16. Divide by 4 by 4. This and this will go. A power 2 is equal to a 4. You find the square root. Plus or minus a will be equal to a 2 or -2. So those are the two solutions. Those are the two solutions. So our next question will be on sets, Venn diagram sets. It's really a nice question. The question I'm about to do, it's a very, very good question. So you're too fast. Oh, thank you for reminding me. But this is how I am. So I'll try to be as slow as I can. Peter, where exactly are you behind so that we can please repeat? So which one? Question A or question B? Tell me. Which one should I repeat? Question A or question B? Tell me, which one should I repeat? Is it question A or question B? I'm waiting for you to tell me the question number that you are not clear about. So tell me which question. Is it question 1 or question 2? Tell us. I mean, question A or question B? Oh, it's both. Okay. Simple question. Yeah, they're definitely simple, but there could be somebody maybe who did not pick it. So for the sake of those people, we'll try to repeat. So let me start with question B, since it's already here written. So I'll give you an idea. So when you've got a matrix like this, okay, let me put 3 here. And then if I ask you to find the determinant, it's okay, find the determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix. For 2 by 2 matrix, what you normally do is to multiply the major diagonal. We call this as major diagonal, like this. And then this other one, it's called minor diagonal, okay? So what we normally do here, we multiply, okay? We multiply the major diagonal, and then we come and say minus multiplication of the minor diagonal. So it will be 1 times 4. We are finding the determinant. 1 times 4, it's a 4, minus 3 times 2, which will give us a 6. And here we're getting a negative 2 as the determinant for this. Now, this same concept is what we need here. They have given us an answer, which is a 15, saying that's a determinant of this matrix. So for you, what you need to do is just to multiply 4a times a, it's 4a power 2. And then you say minus, like we did here, negative 1 times negative 1, it's a 1. Then you say equal to the determinant, the answer now, which is a 15. So once you do that, you can of course say this one will cross the equal sign. It's minus. It will be now plus. And when you add both, you get a 16. You now divide by 4 so that you remain with a power 2. So here there's a power 2, and then 4 into 16 to give us a 4. You now find the square root both sides so that you get rid of this power 2. So the power 2 and the root will go, you remain with a. Here there are 2 solutions that you're supposed to get because of the power 2, positive or negative. So these are the 2 solutions we've gotten. I hope it's clear. I hope it's clear now. I just hope it is clear now. Is it? So now for this question A, the concept will be the same. Now here the statement is telling us that it has got no inverse. When there is no inverse, don't think about anything else when they say there is no inverse. Just think about the 0 here, meaning the determinant of the matrix is equal to 0. So where there is 15 here, you just put a 0, 0, and solve, just like that. So let me write it for question A. So for question A, you do the same. Just say 4a times a, that is a 4a power 2 minus negative 1 times negative 1, it's positive 1, which is equal now to 0. So 4a power 2 is equal to 1. Divide by 4, this and this will go. A power 2 will be equal to 1 over 4. Find the square root, both sides. Because of the power 2, you remain with a is equal to negative or positive 1 over 2. So you can say one of the solution, it's a 1 over 2, or the other one is negative 1 over 2. Just like that. I hope somebody understands. Thanks, now I understand. That's Peter. Thank you, Peter, for telling us that you now understand. Okay, so somebody's calling me this late. I can't answer right now. I'm live right here. We'll try to call back. So if you are listening and you're calling, I'll give you a call after this. So just wait for me to finish up this, and then we'll see what we can do after this. All right. So this is a set. Now look at the kind of the set that we have right here. It's a little bit weird. I don't know if you've come across something that looks like this, a set that looks like this. This is weird. So this is E, and then here there is another set, which is set E. This is set A, B. Have you seen set C has been swallowed? Now look at what is inside. Here there's a 10. Then we say minus x. Wow, here there is x plus 1. Here there is 3x minus 1. Look at what we have, guys. How does it look? A little bit weird, like I said. It's a little bit weird. Now, look at the questions. The first question here, they are saying, that's the first question. They're saying, find the value of x such that n B union C is equal to 16. Have you seen what you've been given? They're saying find the value of x such that n, this is not intersection, it's a n, small letter n. Okay, n open bracket, B union C close is equal to 16. Now for this one, how do you answer that question? How do you get to find the value of the value of x? How do we get to find that value of x? Are you guys watching? Tell me if you are watching. How do we get to find that value of x? So basically, what we're going to do here is this. This n stands for number. So the number of elements in B union C is equal to 16. Meaning you add everything that is inside and then you say equal to 16. We're going to say 10 minus x plus 1 plus 3x minus 1 is equal to 16. Then you work out, so we can group the like terms. We have got negative x plus 3x is equal to 16 minus 10. And then this one minus 1 plus 1. Okay, so when we add here, we're getting a 3x is equal to, here we're getting a 6. 6 minus 1, it's a 5. 5 plus 1, it's a 6. So we divide by 3. By 3, this and this will go. X will simply be equal to a 2. So the value of x is equal to a 2. Peter, do you understand this part? Do you understand? You guys are not liking the video, so try to like the video so that we can get to have more people watching this live broadcast right over here. And please, if you are new, please note that we offer online classes. You can join our online classes. We've got quite a good program which will benefit you. And if you are preparing for your GCE 2026, don't forget to join our online classes, as we are going to help you as much as we can and get a good grade. So for those people who are asking for the number, let me write it up here or down here, 096 9 17 57 01. So that's a WhatsApp number. You WhatsApp and get added to the online classes. There's a fee that you need to pay. We do charge. That's what you have to know. Okay, so we go to the next question. We go to the next question. So for the next question here, it's to do with some simplification. It's to do with some simplification. So they are saying simplify. Get a piece of paper, try to simplify this. We see the answer that you are getting. So simplify. And what is it that you are simplifying? You are simplifying a, look at this, a power 3 minus a over a power 2 minus a. Very interesting question. So simplify that one. And what answer are you getting? What answer is somebody getting? Simplify for me. What is it that you're getting? What is it that you are getting? So simplify that one. Simplify that one. What answer are you guys getting? Now I'll wait for somebody to give me a comment in the comment section, and we see how it goes on this one. So simplify a power 2 minus a over a power 3 minus a over a power 2 minus a. Can I see the answer in the comment section? Fiona is saying A. Peter, what are you saying yes about? So anybody to comment the answer that he or she is getting. After working out this, what answer are you guys getting? Let's see the answer that you're getting so that we can also get inspired by a solution. What answer are you getting? What answer are you getting? So please like the video, just like the video. Press where there's a love sign there in the comment section and like the video. Okay, trick. Do I have a trick question? I'll see if there's any. I will see. Fiona, I've seen your comment. I'll see if there's any trick question among the questions I have. And if it's there, work it out. If it's not there, just be on the lookout. Tomorrow, I will start with that question. Okay. So that's it. Anybody, guys, nobody's managing to simplify this. What answer are you getting? What answer are you getting? Okay, let me help out. It seems people are still working out this. So the first thing that you need to do when you've got a power 3 minus, okay, a over a power 2 minus a. So the first thing that you're supposed to do here will simply be to factor out what is common here. So a is common. It's found right here and here. So you just say a, open bracket, a into a power 3. It's a power 2. A into negative a. It's negative 1. Over here, a, it's common also. A into a power 2 will remain with a. A into negative a, it's negative 1. This is what we have right here. That's the first step. Okay. I hope you can see something there. I hope so. Peter, you're commenting. You've commented your solution. Let's keep on moving and see if what you found is how it's supposed to be. So this and this will cancel out. We shall remain with a power 2 minus 1 over a minus 1. So up here, we can use what we call difference of two squares. So it will be a plus 1, a minus 1 over a minus 1. So this guy and this guy will go. We shall remain with a plus 1, like this. That's the answer. It's a plus 1. All right, so I can see a number of you are requesting, like Fiona, that we do trade. So come and do trade tomorrow. Just set that notification bell such that when I get to go live, you get notified. So tomorrow we'll start with a trig paper 2 question so that you can see one or two things out of it. And I think for now we'll end right over here. Hopefully you've learned one or two things. I'm super happy to teach you. And to those people who are still asking for the WhatsApp number to join our online classes, this is a number 0969 175701. We will definitely help you join our online classes. All right. Thank you and bye bye.